na mau kedok siya sola. Ki kubor Kiba benya. Symbud Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ba khmi ya katanat ki kampo yeng uba presun tensong ulo ong ba uklem layo kanu ke kubor ba kandon ka jingwan Rung tu jong ki brio ki banabar sya ke Jylla Meghalaya. Habaya kren bat kilat patai kubor uba tensong ulo ong ba nakaliang ke sarkar kan ai jingtip la dalap badon ne kinu ki kaipot halor ke jingwan Rung tu. Ulo ong baki pulit ke Jylla bat ki sipai BSF ki lalong ki bahusyar bat yai beteng ban khmi bnya ya ke jinglong jingman.
We have already requested that, and then let us see. And once we get the indication from their side, then we will accordingly fix the date. In fact, be it the BSF, be it the custom, be it our police from the state, we are on the job, and then we are already instructed all the concerned forces to be more vigilant and to be more proactive to detect those illegal immigration if it happens in any parts of our state.
Kaseng Voice of the People's Party